Hello, today I'm making a unboxing on a wallet I bought from Vestiaire Collective. I've been looking for this particular wallet for years. It's from the Gucci Bengal collection back in 2016, I believe. So yeah, I've been looking for it for years until I finally found it on Vestiaire Collective. If you guys want a review on the whole process, I'm in the States and I believe this item was what came from Italy. But yeah, let me know if you guys want to know how the process went and how long it took from the day I purchased it until today that I received it. So let's get on the unboxing. So I already took out the cardboard or like thing that sealed it. So yes, it just comes with a bunch of paper, well, just this one paper, and here it is. So yeah, it comes with the tags. It's really pretty. It's really nice and compact, which is what I'm looking for since I only carry crossbody bags. So it's really convenient that it's this size. So it has 6 card slots, 3 here, 2 here, and there's a zipper compartment for your coins and another card slot in the back. In the zipper compartment there's the care booklet, and it has like a compartment for your bills. The only reason why I like small wallets is because I usually carry crossbody bags. The one that I was using before the whole stay-at-home order happened was my Coach Cassie, and it fits perfectly in there. Right now I have my Coach like wallet from the Disney collection or Mickey Mouse collection. So yeah, this one fits perfectly in here, as you can see, and there's a lot of room left for more. But yeah, it's a really nice wallet for, well, you can basically just hold your necessities like your debit cards, your license, ID, and coins if you need to, but I wouldn't recommend it, and just cash. So yeah, thank you for watching.